Welcome to the assembly video for the VOLAR 10. Once you've taken all the items from the box and placed them in front of you, you should have the main wheelchair and the footrests. To put the item together, simply open out the wheelchair frame and push firmly on the seat. That clicks into position for you. Then simply lift the handles at the back for the backrest and then apply the brakes, which will help for you to fit the footrests into position. Starting with the left footrest, we can open that out and simply place in position, and it should just click in. Same with the right hand footrest. Open it out, press into position, and it clicks firmly into place. And that's how simple it is to put the VOLAR 10 together.